Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Narinder Singh and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video, I'll be clearing out doubts as to what to study first because time is very crucial right now. The notification might come at any time. So what to study? How to basically cover the entire syllabus within 2 to 3 months or within the stipulated period of a time. So guys, one tip that I want to give to each and every student who is preparing for RBI grade B is that static portion, right, is important, but in exam the GS section plays a very important role, and the current affairs and the current portion when it comes to the phase 2 ESI and finance and management, right, it plays a major role because 50 to 60% of the content comes in the exam from the direct current of ESI and finance and management. So how you can basically cover the entire syllabus in 2 to 3 months? The strategy can be you have to be in continue practice with phase 1 quantitative aptitude reasoning English, and simultaneously you have to pick this general awareness, both static and current affairs, but the priority should be given to the current affairs because a lot has happened in past 7 to 8 months when it comes to the financial situation of India and other departments as well. So what you have to do is you have to go with the current affairs, right? You have to go with the static portion because static portion is something which will basically push you and which will eventually give you an above edge, and which will give you the confidence as well to be in the track of preparation of RBI grade B, because that's something which is universal, which has happened and you have read it in your past schooling days or in the graduation as well. So you have to be in a continue when it comes to the phase 1 ESI, quantitative aptitude reasoning English and GS section, both static GK and dynamic portion. Now let's talk about phase 2, how to cover the phase 2. So same goes with the phase 2 as well, right? So as you know that 60% of the content basically comes from the current affairs, so majority of the time should be spare on in preparing the current affair portion, and the basically one third you can take the ratio of the one third, and the very less time should be given to the static portion. But that doesn't mean you should completely neglect the static portion, because static portion is also very important. Thank you so much guys. If you liked my video, please hit the bell icon, subscribe, and please share this video to all those students who are preparing for RBI exam. Thank you.